full body relaxation. Keep your legs open. Allow your feet to drop towards the sides. Stretch out your arms alongside your body. Tuck your chin in a little bit and elongate your neck. Wiggle your head from side to side and close your eyes. Breathe in deeply and slowly and stretch your fingers and toes away from your body. Make your arms and legs very, very long. Breathe out and clench your fists, clench your feet, curl up your toes. Keep on clenching all of your body, your legs, your stomach, your buttocks. Tense up your chest and the muscles on your back. Make your neck stiff and clench your jaw. Wrinkle up your face, make it very small. Intensify the tension all over your body. And release. Let go completely. Let your body sink deeper into your bed. Become aware of the space that your body is occupying. And allow your mind to rest at the same space. Come into the here and now. From now on, keep your body completely still. Keep your breath smooth and deep. Breathe slowly. Let your belly move in the rhythm of your breath. Remove all tension from your throat so that your breath is soundless and smooth. Let there be no pauses in your breath. Keep your breath flowing smoothly, uninterruptedly. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Relax the point between your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Relax the corners of your eyes. Relax your temples. Relax your cheeks. Relax your nose. Relax your nostrils. Relax your lips. Relax the corners of your mouth. Relax your jaw. Relax your chin. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulder joints. Relax your upper arms. Relax your elbows. Relax your lower arms. Relax your wrists. Relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Relax your fingertips. Breathe smoothly and slowly. Deep and soundless breathing. Uninterrupted breathing. Relax your fingertips. Relax your fingers. Relax your hands. Relax your wrists. Relax your lower arms. Relax your elbows. Relax your upper arms. Relax your shoulder joint. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax your heart center. Relax your stomach. Relax your navel area. Relax your hip joints. Relax your upper legs. Relax your knees. Relax your lower legs. Relax your ankles. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. Relax the tips of your toes. Slow, continuous breathing. Breathe from top to toe. Breathe out all tension through the tips of your toes. Relax the tips of your toes. Relax your toes. Relax your feet. Relax your ankles. Relax your lower legs. Relax your knees. Relax your upper legs. Relax your hip joints. Relax your navel area. Relax your stomach. Relax your heart center. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulder joints. Relax your upper arms. Relax your elbows. Relax your lower arms. Relax your wrists. Relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Relax your fingertips. Relax your fingertips. Relax your fingers. Relax your hands. Relax your wrists. Relax your lower arms. Relax your elbows. Relax your upper arms. Relax your shoulder joints. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your chin. Relax your jaw. Relax the corners of your mouth. Relax your lips. Relax your nostrils. Relax your nose. Relax your cheeks. Relax your temples. Relax the corners of your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax the point between your eyebrows. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your forehead. Relax your mind. All of your body is completely relaxed. All your mind is completely relaxed.